There's a common misconception that sports injuries only happen in the field of play, where in fact the term sports injury is more defined by the expectation of the athlete or the patient in what their end goal is with regards to their injury. So if somebody has an injury and they expect to perform at a high level on a playing field or on the road running or cycling or swimming, then their injury would tend to be defined as a sports injury. Similarly, their rehabilitation would follow a different path to somebody whose injury was not defined by a sporting outcome. Someone who is suffering from a sports injury and going through sports rehab will have a different process in that they will have to perform at a higher level to get back to their sport. This might include spending more time in the gym, focusing more on strength, focusing more on power, focusing on things like speed, etc., muscle building, whereas your average person with an injury that doesn't have a sporting goal might purely be satisfied with a return to normal range and a return to normal function without any pain.